What's up guys, welcome to my channel 95 Minecraft. So today we are going to survive the new nether biome. So I know it's very scary. I am in a not a nice spot, so I will just run from here. And if this gas will see me, I will just hello. He's just not doing anything. It's fine. You missed. Gas. Yeah. Gas. You missed. You missed. He's just seeing me. Gas missed. Oh, guys, it's a nice time to say that if I die in today's video, today's video ends. So I have not made that type of videos till now, but this is that type of video. It's fast with pickaxe. How when I just go down, I am not able to understand. I will just not disturb not disturbing any of the mobs who are in this party of the new nether biome. No. Please, Ghast, don't do anything to me. I am just saying you. Don't do anything to me. If you want, you cannot also. Guys, I don't know what will happen if I just die now in this video, because it's really scary to just bridge yourself up on the lava. Because there are not that much spots in which just you can run away from the mobs, because this is very oh no, do whatever I'm doing, I have to just do fast. This is not a good start of the video. I'm just really scared in the nether waste. Sorry, I just. That's scary. Run. Bridge. I'm so scared now. I'm just not able to say anything also. No, I will just, hey. Oh no, I'll just die. I cannot do anything now. Guys, I cannot do anything now. I'm just dying. I cannot do anything. Everything just finished. So guys, I will not say that is the end of today's video. I will just go in the settings, creative, and just go back to my nether portal and just don't know what to do. I will just now try it in creative mode. Yup. What should I just say, because the gas just, I will just kill all the gas I see now. I'll just kill all the gas I see now. Now gas has did this with me, so now they will not be left. I was so scared that I was just not able to just speak anything also. Just convert this to always day. Weather cycle. Oh, I'm just really scared. But I don't know, but now I'm also scared of gas. Now I'm just now I got to know the power of gas in Minecraft. Now the gas are the Now ghast are the animals which are in this most. Oh, same area. Last time my nether portal is spawned here. Oh, hello, Mr. Ghast. I will now just see you. Now it will be war between me and the Ghast. Hey. Hey. Whatever, I will now just every time I see a Ghast, I will just kill it. So guys, here's the new Soul Sand Valley. It's very cool because now we have just now we have blue fire also. In Soul Sand, it just blue fire will just. Oh, hello Ghast. Please don't disturb me this time. I'll just see where I just was making my bridge and just fell in the lava. Just find that place really quickly. I just don't know where I just went from there. Just cannot remember. I just destroyed everything. I just went from here and just yeah, no, where can I run? Is this my bridge? No. Can you just find where that would be? So guys, this is the new basalt valley, or no, there's another name of that. I'm just saying the name Nong, so please don't memorize that name of this biome of the new nether. Because guys, do you remember in which the biome we spawned? That is the old nether known as the nether waste, because that is now a waste, only a waste in the nether. Nothing is just there. So this is a area where like a lot of magma slime spawn, and there's this type of thing, and there's a nice particle effect to this biome. I just really like this. This is the new favorite thing in the new my favorite thing in the new nether is just the. I will just go here and show you that. I just don't like this new basalt valleys, or whatever we say that. So this is combination of the two of our favorite areas. I'm just not able to find a crimson forest or just any other warped forest. It's like everything is just this only. We are back. Oh yeah, this is my favorite thing. That is this scaffolding type thing that on which we can just climb like this. So I just like this. It's like very cool type. Like so, see, we can just climb it. It's known as the weeping vines. And this is the new light called shroom light, and it's really nice. So this is another biome that both are mixed together. This is the crimson biome, warped biome, crimson warped, nether waste, crimson warped, all the biomes together. So this is the new mob that is called the Hogran. This is the only source of food in the nether now. Like we are also Enderman now. That's not good. So see, it's really nice. Warped crimson, warped crimson, warped crimson, warped crimson, warped. Hey. So these guys have a lot of health, and just if we take them to the overworld. Oh, he is holding a. Hey, Enderman. Just fell in lava. Enderman. Hey. It's like really nice. This it's like really nice to see new things in the nether now. Hey, Ghast. I I will not leave you. I will not leave you. So this is like a really nice combination. Like we have many other things. Like we have now netherite. This is the netherite block, and it's the most expensive thing in Minecraft now. If you play in just servers, you will find this as the currency there. I think so. So guys, that's it for today's video. I will meet you guys in another video. Bye.